Hello and welcome to Focused In, a feature of the Curing with Sound podcast presented by the Focused Ultrasound Foundation. I'm your host, Allison Preston Smith, and I'm joined by Emily Whipple, the Strategic Initiatives Director at the Foundation. Welcome, Emily.
Hey, Allison. Thanks for having me on Focused In.
So, first question, can you share more about your role with the Foundation?
Of course. I'm Emily Whipple, Director of Strategic Initiatives at the Focused Ultrasound Foundation. In this role, I work to advance the Foundation's mission, accelerating the development and adoption of focused ultrasound. I do this by fostering collaborations, funding impactful research, and driving greater awareness of this transformative technology. My background bridges science and business, which allows me to identify strategic opportunities, align stakeholders, and support initiatives that move focused ultrasound from the lab to the clinic. I'm especially passionate about building partnerships that create real-world impact and improve patient outcomes. Through collaborations with researchers, industry leaders, and peer foundations, I help shape programs that expand access to focused ultrasound worldwide.
How does the Foundation work with partner organizations?
Yeah, partnerships are at the core of our work at the Focused Ultrasound Foundation. They help us accelerate both awareness and adoption of this technology. We collaborate with leading academic institutions and medical centers to support groundbreaking research and training. Today we have 15 global centers of excellence, each recognized for their leadership in translational and clinical research, patient care, and education. We're currently funding studies at more than 50 sites around the world. Our partnerships with the industry help bridge the gap between research and commercialization, ensuring that promising treatments can reach patients faster. We also work closely with government agencies and regulatory bodies to support policy, funding, and infrastructure efforts that enable the field to grow. Finally, we collaborate with advocacy groups and nonprofits to raise awareness, share resources, and promote patient access. Together, these alliances are helping to shape the future of medicine by making focused ultrasound a more widely available, non-invasive therapeutic option.
What are some examples of partnerships increasing the awareness and the adoption of focused ultrasound?
Yeah, we work with a diverse network of partners, academic institutions, hospitals, industry, and nonprofits through collaborative research, co-funding opportunities, and public education efforts. In the past year, for instance, we partnered with the Breast Cancer Alliance, Society of Interventional Radiology, and the Parkinson's and Movement Disorders Alliance to host 4 webinars reaching both scientific and patient communities. To expand the pipeline of focused ultrasound research, we've recently launched co-funding programs with the ALS Association, Race Against Dementia in the UK, and Bright Focus Foundation. In 2022, we partnered with UVA Health to launch the world's first focused ultrasound cancer immunotherapy center, an initiative designed to integrate focused ultrasound with immunotherapy and expand awareness and clinical adoption of this promising approach. Another exciting example involves our centers of excellence at Virginia Tech and Children's National Hospital, which have collaborated to advance pediatric applications. One notable project supports an investigator at Virginia Tech, highlighting our commitment to mentorship and the next generation of researchers. These partnerships exemplify our belief that collaboration accelerates progress and that together we can bring focused ultrasound to more patients sooner.
Well, thank you so much for sharing more about your work, Emily, and thanks for joining us on Curing with Sound. For our listeners, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a rating, and you can also subscribe to our newsletter, follow us on social media, and visit our website, fusfoundation.org.